Okay, for this lab experiment under fats and oils, we're going to be looking at emulsions. So an emulsion is, again, a mix of two things that are unblendable. And then here are some hyperlinks to help you out with some emulsions and two additional resources showing how these were made. So this was our basic formula. Oops. So this is a formula for mayonnaise. So egg yolk, vinegar, sugar, salt, dry mustard, paprika, and oil. So we did these emulsions with different types of oils. And these are our procedure and the variations. So for the evaluations, we looked at the time to break, the line spread, and we did look at the amount of oil that separated using a centrifuge, but that data has been omitted from the spreadsheet. Now with the red dye condition, I have the microscope slide pictures that we snap pictures of. And then vinegar is tinted red because it's water soluble. The oil is untinted in the picture. And anything yellow or clumps, those are again are some of the spices. And then we subjects or myself and our students were asked to subjectively evaluate the project or the products using a 7-point scale. And that 7-point scale was 1 being very poor to 7 being excellent. So I'm going to show you the data and what you're going to do with that data. So the ones in yellow here were all whisked by hand. So olive, corn, and canola. And then this electric mixer was done using corn oil with an electric mixer. If it didn't break, the time to break, it just is marked as did not break. And these times to break are all in seconds. Here are the line spread measurements, and these are meaned already, so you don't need to calculate a mean. And then we have color, oiliness, and flavor. All right. So what I want you guys to do is turn these color, oiliness, and flavor into that subjective Likert scale. So you're going to put basically the words into the scale. So on the scale of 1 to 7 using the data here. So you're going to numerize the words here. And for the appearance, you're going to use the photos. So I'm going to pull up the slide here. Oops. So this is all located under data for Lab 6. And yours is actually a PowerPoint presentation because there's a couple extra videos in there showing you how the line spread was done and that kind of thing. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so here's our emulsifications. Okay, so I have a short video to show you the line spread, so you can click on that to play. It's a few seconds long. Then here is a picture of the line spread testing with the mayonnaise. So again, the paprika is what gave it the color there. And then what's the measurement of this line spread? So you can practice reading a line spread. And then here's what it looked like in the lab when we had the line spreads spread out. And then here are those 3 conditions. So corn, olive, and canola oil. And then here's a video of us collecting the data on the microscope. And then here are those slides. All right, and then overall, using a scale, again, you can use 1 to 7 or anything else. Just let me know what scale that you use. Which do you think would be the most acceptable based on all of the data that's provided here? Okay, and if you have any questions, please let me know using email or on the general questions forum.